Did you know? To find the number of multiples of factor between two numbers n1 and n2 inclusive. Subtract n1 from n2, and then perform floor division using this difference as the numerator and the factor as the divisor. The result of the floor division is the quotient of the nearest multiple of the divisor less than or equal to the numerator. The result of this floor division is the number of multiples of the factor between the two numbers n1 and n2 inclusive. As a special condition, if the lower limit, n1, is also multiple of the factor, add 1 to the result of the floor division, and this would be the number of multiples of the factor between n1 and n2 inclusive. Visit scholarden.com to learn more about GRE tips and tricks, and a path towards mastering your GRE math skills.